How does it make you feel using the current bags that you're actually given by your providers?
I think it's just, we have to, when you go to the toilet in bags, you have to work so hard on your self-confidence and like retaining a bit of dignity. So I think, yeah, it just doesn't make you feel good to have like essentially dog poo bags or just bags that look like what they are. So I think having something that doesn't necessarily look like you're carrying a bag of your waste around, it's just little things like that that give you a little bit of self-confidence and dignity back.
So just tell me a bit about why you wanted one for a member of your family just now.
Because my father-in-law had his prostate removed, and since then, now it's been about 2 years, he's suffered with incontinence, which has had the impact where he doesn't even want to go and stay with family because he's worried about what he's going to do with the products, you know, the house smelling and so on. And you try and give reassurance, but that's just going to give him peace of mind.
That's really nice to hear, because that's what we want to try and do, is to give some confidence back to people who don't. Hi Natalie, you were just telling me about how you're training to climb a mountain, and as a stoma user, could you explain kind of what challenges that might give for you?
So in terms of like needing to change, so I have a stoma and I self-catheterize, so in terms of needing to use that medical equipment when I'm out like on a mountain or doing my training, something that gives me a lot of anxiety is when I've changed my bag or used my catheter and I'm putting it in the black bags that they give us with our orders. That black bag is not like, it's not leak proof, but mainly the smell comes out of that bag, so you'll literally be walking around. Obviously you can't leave litter on the mountain, so you have to carry that bag with you, and it just causes me so much anxiety because you're walking around with a bag that you can smell what's in it, and like no, it's just there's no dignity in that, you know. So to have something that's completely sealed with no chance of the smell coming out or any of like the catheter fluid or anything like that, it just would be an absolute game changer.
Great, that's really interesting. Thank you so much for sharing. Hello.
Hi.
Tell me about your thoughts after seeing Hygeeni for the first time.
I think it's a fantastic idea. I think it's definitely got a place for both staff and patients in our hospital. The facilities are not fit for purpose, and I've got a patient who is really struggling to even get back to work because her workplace facilities are actually quite horrific. Toilet going off into the kitchen area, which is not good at all. So yes,
do you feel Hygeeni would make a difference?
Hugely, definitely.
Thank you, it's really helpful to hear. Thank you.
Especially if you're out and about, let's say you have to change your bag in a car when you go back to work. When you go back to work, and you're worried about it. I really like the idea that you don't have to talk to a patient about if they were to run out of their complimentary bags from the company, about replacement bags being a nappy bag or a doggy bag. This is a specially designed bag. It's a bit more dignified. No, I agree. Yeah, I love it. Yeah. And I like the sustainability. Yeah, that's so good. Yeah.
Step up, if you want to call it that way, to the way we currently deal with it, which is, as you and I have discussed, essentially the dog poo bag, which is just you tie a knot in it or chuck it away, whereas this is so much more confidence inspiring.
It's going to make the world of difference to a mum of a 7-year-old who is dreading her daughter having stoma just because of going to school. So if I can eliminate one little bit of worry, this will be fantastic. So thank you.
I've never